Afternoon, guys. This is Miss Megan from Phinizy Swamp, and we are here with you for our first episode of our Science and Math Challenge. So get excited. Yay! So all of you must have noticed how much rain we've had in Augusta this last winter, right? Whew, every day, almost. So what we've been doing in Phinizy Swamp, we're very fortunate. We have this rain gauge right outside of our office. So if you want to come have a look, you can see what it looks like. So inside our rain gauge, we have this measured cylinder that you can see right over here. And you can see that it's measured all the way up till 1 inch, right at the very top over there. So let me show you how it works if it were to rain. We'll put this back inside. Here comes the Miss Megan hurricane, and it's raining. Oh dear, rain, 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 rain. And that's how much rain we got overnight, let's say. So we would come in the morning and we would take this off and we would take this measured cylinder out and we would hold it up like that, and that's how we would read it. We would count all the way up. And what you really need to remember, everyone, with science is you have to read the meniscus. So you need to check the bottom of the curve. And you don't want to look from above or from below. You want to look straight on. So we're going to read this bottom of this curve. And it's 0.7. That would be 0.75, 0.76, 0.77, 0.78 over there. That's where the bottom of the curve is. So we have 0.78 inches of rain that we just had. So that's what we have been doing at Phinizy Swamp over the past 11 or 12 years. We've been collecting our rain gauge data. So it's probably not 100% accurate as to NOAA's data, but we're doing our best here with what we've got here. So what we're going to do is you're going to want to have a look at this data sheet because we're going to make sure it's available to you too. And you'll be able to see we're comparing average historic winter rainfall to our current winter rainfall. So as you can see, we've done our winter season starting in 2008, December 2008, and ending in February 2020. That was last month. And we've used the months of December, January, and February for our winter season. And we've got rainfall for each of those months. So what we're going to do together is we're going to calculate the season average for each winter season. So we're going to start using just our 2008 to 2009 winter season data, which was 7.20 for December, 1.95 inches for January, and 1.49 inches for February. So let's look how we would calculate an average. So we have 7.20, we have 1.95, and we have 1.49 inches over that winter season. So we are going to add them up. So let's add all of these up together. We have 0 plus 5 plus 9, that would be 14. So we put down the 4, we carry the 1. That would be 3 plus 9 plus 4, which would give us a 16. So we put a 6 down there and we carry the 1. And here's that pesky decimal place. Don't forget about that. And then we're adding 1 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1. So that would be 10. We write that down here. So this is our total rainfall for that first winter season. And now, how many did we have? We had 1, 2, 3 different rainfalls that we looked at. So what we would want to do, we would want to divide this by 3. Now I encourage you to definitely be practicing your long division. So you would be doing it like this, but for the sake of time on this video, we're just going to calculate it with a calculator, and we got 3.55 inches. So that would be our average for the season. So on your data sheet, you would take your answer and you would write 3.55 right over there, and that is your average rainfall for this season. Now, you're going to keep doing that for each season as you go along, all the way down to here. You have to do it another 10 times because there's 11 seasons right up here. And then you get to this one. It's a little bit different, where it says winter season overall average from 2008 to 2018. And what you're going to do is you're going to take all of these averages that you've now calculated, and you're going to add them up, and you're going to divide them by 11, because we have 11 seasons over here. And that's what your answer here will be. And then over here, you see this is our current winter season. And so you're going to calculate this average, and these are the two averages that you are comparing. You're going to have a look at what this overall average for the past 11 years is versus our average of the current winter season. And we want you to have a look and see which one is more and which one is less. What do they look like in comparison to each other? Is one a large amount greater or smaller, or are they maybe pretty similar? So that's what we would like you to do. And in our next episode of the Science and Math Challenge, we'll be having a look at our answers for this and carrying on with another activity related to our rain gauge data. Thank you all for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our next episode. Make sure you get all of this done. It'll be good practice for your school year. Thanks everyone. Bye.